Hi, today I'm doing a review on these cutting board organizers. These organizers were gifted to me in exchange for my review. It does come with 2 slots that are about 1.5 inches wide, and then 3 that are a little over 1/2 inch wide. They also come with these grip bottoms, so when you do put it on your countertop, it will hold nicely and stay secure. Rod iron that it is made with is high durable. It is coated in a black paint, so it will be good for rust proof, and just all in all a very high quality look to it. It gives it a more modern, sleek look. I think it does fit many different things. You can put cutting boards, you could put cooking sheets, maybe a cooling rack, really just anything. I am going to take them and put them under in my cabinet here, and I really just want to organize my things a little bit more. So come on with me and you can see how it looks. I do have a cooling rack, and that is a perfect fit also. I possibly thought that I could put my small muffin pan in here too in the slot, and that fits perfect. I also have my cutting board I can place right here. Look how nice that looks in there. What's great about this organizer is that it does have rounded edges, so it will help prevent scratches on your cookware. Now, if you do look very closely, the weld on this is very, very good and of high quality. I do believe that this is going to be very long lasting. All in all, I think that this rack is a great buy, and I do suggest it.